Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into how to zoom in, zoom out, and increase the font size of the window and the editor in Visual Studio Code. So, let's get started. Let's start with how to increase the font size of just the editor in Visual Studio Code. This method is simple and quick to use. Typically, if you want to increase the font size of the editor alone, all you need to do is hold the Control button and use the scroll wheel on your mouse. But if you find that's not working for you, don't worry, there's a quick fix. To fix this issue, first head to the top of your screen and click on File. Then, go to Preferences and select Settings. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Zoom. Here, you'll see a setting for mouse wheel zoom. Make sure to check this box. Once that's done, you can hold Control and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to increase the font size of the editor, or scroll in the opposite direction to decrease it. Now, let's say you want to increase the font size of the entire window, not just the editor. This method works by enlarging everything, including the sidebars and the text within them. To do this, hold Ctrl and press plus on your keyboard. As you can see, the font size of the entire window increases. If you want to zoom out and reduce the size, hold Ctrl and press minus. And if you ever want to reset the font size back to the default, simply press Ctrl plus 0. This will return everything to its original size. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting the font size in Visual Studio Code is quick and easy, giving you full control over your workspace's readability. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tech tips. Thanks for watching.